Hey everyone, I thought I would do a little unboxing today because I had a delivery, and this one is from Tania's Felties, Bows and Craft Supplies, and this is what I got. So I've got quite a lot in here. I definitely spent over the £40 mark, and I've got, you have to excuse me because like I said, I got confused with how much I actually have. So I've got crushed velvet ribbon, which is these ones in the 1 inch, and this is so pretty. It is so soft and just so nice. Get it so I can do that. Okay, look how cute this is, and I got it in the black, the navy and the pink, or possibly, yeah, black, navy and pink. So those are so pretty, especially with the stars on. I'm looking forward to using that. I might see if I can do one of my hand-tied versions with those. And then I got these glitter ropes. Now these are the ones that you can thread on the really thin metal headbands, or you can do other things with them, like making the lollipop ones by doing this, or like rainbows and things. And obviously you glue them in place and things like that. So I've got all them in all different colours. So I've got the pink, the blue, the darker blue, different pink, and a multicoloured version of those. Super cute thank you card as well in there. And then I'm just going to hold this over so you can actually see what's in the box. I got some nylon headbands and bobbles and some chenille Pom-Poms. I can't even remember why I got the Pom-Poms. In my cat-like brain they made complete sense. But I got these packs of 5s, and these are all dainty headbands. So I've got a pink, a peachier colour tone. I think this was tropical or mint. And some other bits and pieces. What other colours? So I've got 5 different colours of those because I needed a top up and needed more pastel, like the softer colours. So there's those. Just put them in my little nylon box. These are my little chenille Pom-Poms. So there are all of those. Missed a headband. And then this is what I got, because I don't normally use these myself personally, but I saw that they had the nylon bobbles instead of the nylon headbands, and I thought I would get some of those to try out as well. So I've got a couple of different colours of those, as you can see, and I think they come in packs of, okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8. I think I got 8 each for each colour or something like that. So there's those. I'm just going to put them back in this bag because I don't want them to go in with my headbands, because I'll misplace them and forget that I've even brought them. Because I always do things like that that make complete sense. So put those to one side. And then I've got these shaker pieces and some other bits and pieces in here. I'll show you all of these. So I've got these super cute shaker hearts with the pre-made ribbons on. In different colours. I think I've got 2 pink for some reason. Oh no, they're slightly different pinks. And a pale pink as well. So I've got those. They're super cute. I'm obsessed with buying these. I rarely need to use them for more tutorials. I'm terrible for that. I got these super cute layered 3D like clam golden shells. I got these cute lollipop clays in 2 different colours. Two rainbow charms with the little hearts on the end. And then I've got some of these rectangle snap clips because I've got an idea for them, and I wanted the slightly less non-traditional shape. And then I've got some really cute centres. I got these. So I've got 2 purple and 2 white. And you're meant to curve them over your, get one that's not so in your face. Instead of a scrunch, you should be able to put them on like that. So I'm looking forward to using them because they're so pretty. And then obviously you all know I'm obsessed with bees, so I got these bees because they're not charms, they're like ones that you can glue directly. And then I got this bumblebee bow holder, and I also got this customised one, and I got this one for my niece Evie. So you can have, I think it's up to 9 letters on them. Obviously the names that are a little bit longer in length than Evie would be slightly smaller, but like I said, you get up to 9 letters on your choice on this one, so that was really pretty. So I'm going to make those up as well. So that's all the bits and pieces I had in the box from Tania's Felties. Like I said, I think it was about £43 with the free shipping. And like I said, I'm really looking forward to playing around with all of these, especially the super cute, pretty soft velvet ribbon and these glitter ropes and everything. And seeing how cute these look on some of my tutorials as well. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye!